Seru banget. Liburan, teman-teman. Maaf ya, I have some issues with my lights. Teman-teman, mohon maaf ya. Ini lampu ruangannya itu bermasalah ya. I have some issues with the ring light. But can you see me clearly, teman-teman? Kelihatan ya? Oke, thank you, Sis Zahra. Aku nggak liburan. Teman-teman lagi liburan nggak? Coba Sis Clara di info dong, guys. Kelihatan, Miss. Ada yang lagi liburan? Di Inggris, di Paris, di Jerman ada? Hari ini enggak. Oke, besok masuk berarti. Enggak. Eh, bukannya udah pada cuti bersama ya? Sampai bukannya udah cuti bersama ya buat teman-teman pekerja di sini? Kayaknya udah mulai deh. I guess ya, kalau nggak salah. Nggak ada cuti bersama. Aduh, sama lagi. Besok kayak kita masih masuk deh, guys. Tapi kalau teman-teman sorry, malam tahun baruan ya, if you want to celebrating a New Year's or something, that's okay. You can also you can take a permission ya. Teman-teman bisa izin buat besok kalau misalnya ada kelas. And until now I haven't got the information. Besok kita libur atau enggak ya? Saya sekarang belum dapet info nih guys ya. Tapi kalau misalnya terpaksa ada kelas, teman-teman ya sabar ya. Saya sekarang apa lagi? Stay at home masih 56 orang. Lagi liburan tapi hanya di rumah bersama keluarga asik. Sis Tasya. Same here. Sis Clara, hari ini stay at home. Wah, teman-teman besok rencana mau kemana? Tanggal 31 atau 31st mau kemana guys? Please let me know dong. Coba, adakah yang mau jalan-jalan besok? Maybe ke Bali or Blok M? Ketemu siapa tuh guys? Ada TikTokers yang suka salim-salim itu tahu nggak teman-teman? You know, Presiden Blok M. Only stay at home. Soalnya jauh. Oh, go to work. Stay at home. Futsal. Jaga warung. Ih, keren banget Sis Dewi. Mana lagi nih? Pada kemana besok? Sis Clara kayaknya besok eh mungkin bakar-bakar ya kayaknya ya teman-teman ini. Oke, let's get started. Mari kita mulai. Oh, oke. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Okay, so happy to meet you again, everyone. And today it's our day 7. Hari ini sudah hari ketujuh, so it means almost 2 weeks in this class ya. Hampir 2 minggu di kelas ini, hampir everyone. And I just want to give you some information that on day 10, we're gonna have mini examinations, Princess. Jadi nanti di hari ke-10 ada mini examination ya, bro and sis ya. So get ready for it because you're gonna practice to speak in our class, everyone. Oh, what is the topic, Sis Clara? Topiknya apa? The topic is about tips and trick about something. Tips and trick tentang sesuatu, everyone. For example, you want to share uh, tips and tricks how to cook nasi goreng, ya, or something like that, teman-teman ya. Jadi, kasih tips and trick semudah mungkin. Iya, belum dimulai sis Zai. Wait ya. Seperti itu ya. It's just a little bit information for you. Jadi, I hope you can join the class. Semoga teman-teman bisa datang ke kelas ya, bro and sis. Okay. But yeah, before we started, I want to check, am I audible? Am I good? Am I clear? My voice clear? Yeah, thank you so much. So, today we're gonna discuss about family. What is the meaning of family, guys? What is family?
Keluarga.
Yes, thank you, Bro Zul. That's correct. Keluarga, cenah, keluarga, teman-teman. Jadi hari ini kita akan bahas tentang keluarga. We're gonna discuss about family. And I believe family it's really important for you ya, teman-teman. Pastinya tentunya keluarga sangat penting ya sih buat kita semua ya. Dan keluarga tuh ada di saat kita sedih, susah, ataupun lain ya, tentunya of course. And our goal today is to discuss, yeah, of course, to discuss about family and understand the usage of vocabulary about family and family trees, teman-teman. Jadi, memahami bagaimana penggunaan kosakata gitu ya tentang keluarga dalam silsilah keluarga. Jadi family trees itu artinya silsilah keluarga ya. Jadi bukan pohon ya ataupun lainnya nih teman-teman. Jadi silsilah keluarga. But before we jump to our material, let's have discussion first. Coba ada yang mau coba nggak? Praktek untuk diskusi untuk sebutkan how many family members do you have? Coba. Nah, ini contohnya ya. How many family members itu artinya adalah apa, teman-teman? Berapa banyak anggota keluarga yang kamu miliki gitu ya. For example, maybe in the Sis Zahra family. Oh, Sis Clara, in my family, there are five members. My mother, my father, older sister, older brother, and me. Gitu ya. Jadi di keluarga aku, Sis Clara ada sekitar lima anggota. Ada ibuku, ada ayahku, kakak paling tua, dan abang-abang gitu ya. Dan juga aku. Dan ceritakan nih, poin kedua. Who is the closest one and why? The closest one in my family is my older sister. Why? Because always help me to finish my homework. For example, like that. Misalnya paling deket tuh kakak perempuanku, Sis Clara. Karena kakak perempuanku tuh suka ngebantu aku ngerjakan PR gitu. And how important is family for you and why? Seberapa penting sih teman-teman keluarga buat teman-teman gitu. Jadi kita diskusi terlebih dahulu before we discuss about the vocabularies. Does anyone here wanna try to practice? You can raise your hand. Si Shakira. Kayak ini ya, namanya kayak itu guys, Piala Dunia tahun berapa ya? 2010 kayaknya. Do you know that?
Yes, I know. Shakira Waka Waka.
Shakira, Shakira. Yeah, that's correct. How are you, Sister Hilwa? Right? Sis Hilwa ya?
I
Hilya or
Hilya,
Hilwa?
Hilya,
Oh,
Hilya.
Hilya. Sekarang ingatnya Hilwa semua. Oke, Sis Hilwa, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, good
How
to hear.
about you, Miss?
Yeah, it's bit tired, yeah, because seems like Bro Isra, I have a lot of work. It's the end of the year, so yeah, I need to work on it, Sis Shakira. Sis Hilya, but thank you for asking. I really
I'm
appreciate it.
I'm I'm tired too today because I work at from uh 5 a.m. o'clock.
5 a.m.? Do you have
Yeah.
morning shift or something?
Yes, I work earlier today.
Why? Is there an event?
Yes, I have a many jobs
Okay, keep it up, sis.
last year.
Yes, Sam here. Keep it up, sis Hilya. So, could you please
Okay.
tell us how
Mm,
many family members do you have?
okay. In my family, there are five members. The first is my husband.
Mhm.
Second is me for wife and mother.
Ooh,
And
mothers.
yeah, third, my daughter.
Mm-hmm.
And fourth and fifth, my son.
Ooh.
Who is the closest with me? It's my husband, of course.
Ooh. Okay.
My lovely husband.
Ooh, I'm jealous.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why? Because he loves me more than herself.
Are you sure? Are you sure about that?
Yes, I think yes.
Oh,
Really, my
okay.
husband? Where is my husband?
Where's the husband of Cecilia? I
Yeah.
really like the confidence of yours. It's good. It's really good.
Yes. How important is my family for me? My family is very important for me because when everything, my condition, my family
It's always
uh,
support you. Yeah.
always support and there ada di samping. There is bisa apa Miss? There ada
Okay,
di
there is
samping.
always be there for you.
Yes, beside me,
Yeah,
maybe. Yeah.
that's okay. Oh, I
Yes.
think I think it's behind your back. It's your husband. I guess it's.
Oh,
I can see
really?
it a little bit.
But no.
I only see the head
I'm
actually.
sorry. Yes,
Yeah,
it's my
that's okay.
husband. Yeah.
Okay, that's all I guess. Yeah, Cecilia.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
It's
But you have a
my
good English,
family.
Cecilia. Good job.
What? What?
You're good at English. Good.
Okay, thank you, Miss Clara.
Yes. Keep it up. Keep up the good work. Thank you,
Yeah.
Cecilia. Oh, that's why they have she has a family's name, Shakira family. Ooh, it's a good one. Oh, teman-teman semoga termotivasi untuk seperti sis Shakira family ya. Lucu banget. Let's hear from Sis Mita. Sis Mita, Mita the Virgin kah? Bukan ya?
Bukan sis.
Tapi tahu The Virgin, Sis Mita?
Enggak.
Oh, enggak ya. Beda beda umur berarti nih ketahuan. Umurnya masih muda kayaknya Sis Mita ya. Oke, silakan Sis Mita. How are you, Sis?
Good sis. How about
Alhamdulillah.
you?
Yes, I'm here, Sis Mita. So, could you please tell us how many family members do you have?
Okay, in my family there are 6 members,
Mm-hmm.
include my mother, my fathers, my 3 sisters, and me.
Ooh, okay. And could you please tell us, Sis, who is the closest one and why?
The closest one, the
Closest one. Mm-hmm.
closest one for
Mm-hmm.
me is my third sister
Oh.
because we live in the same house,
Mm-hmm.
often talks and share the same frequency
Ooh.
as my
Mm-hmm.
sister
Mm-hmm.
is with her husband.
Wow, that's great. Okay, and tell us how important is family for you?
For me, family is very important because a person's character is shaped by the closest environment,
Close.
namely
Mm-hmm.
family. And when we're having problems, family is the first to support us.
Ooh, I do agree with that. Yeah. So I think your last opinion, it's quite simple, sister Hilya. Yeah. But yeah, that's a good. I do agree with you, Sis Mita. Thank you so much for answer the questions. I really appreciate it, Sis Mita. Good job. Wih, ini teman-teman bahasa Inggrisnya udah jago-jago nih, teman-teman. Keren ya, ini udah 2 member ya, pada jago-jago banget ya. Oke, let's hear from Sis Rahma. Sis Rahma, how are you, sister? Are you okay? You look so tired.
Right. I will
Banyak
go.
kerjaan kayaknya ya. Silakan, sister.
So I have
Sis Rahma nggak inget nih. Ada berapa nih? Yes.
eight
Okay.
family.
Oh, 8 members. That's
Yes,
good.
with my dad, and my mom, and one older brother, two older sister, and me,
Mm-hmm.
two younger sister.
Ooh, okay. And tell us who is the closest one?
Closest one is my mom because
Mhm.
uh I always telling about me to her. So
Ooh. So?
and
Mm-hmm.
I think family is important
Mm-hmm.
because all all things we do always uh, always have support by them.
Oh, Masya Allah. Okay, good. Thank you so much, Sis Rahma. Thank you so much. Masya Allah. Ini another sister ya. Let's hear. Ini bro-bronya nggak ada suaranya, sister semua ya. Oke, kita lihat dengar lagi dari Sis Deo. Sis Dewi, Aulia Putri. Sis Deo? Sis Dewi? Ah.
Yes. Hello.
Okay, hi, sister.
Hello, Sis
Hi.
Clara.
Hi, how are you, sister?
I'm fine, thank you. How are
Okay.
you, sis?
Yes, I'm here, sister. Thank you for asking. I really appreciate it. So let's start with the first question, Sis Dewi. How many family members do you have?
Um, there is
Mm-hmm. There is or there are? Mm-hmm.
there are
Mm-mm.
5 members.
Ooh. Okay. Can you mention the members?
Yes, my father, mother,
Mm-hmm.
older sister,
Yep.
aunt,
Mm-mm.
and me.
Okay, good. And tell us who is the closest one?
Paling deket banget.
Siapa yang paling dekat, Sis Dew?
Um, The closest one is my mother.
Okay. Okay. And last question. How important is family for you?
Very important
It's very important.
because they made me comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yes.
Okay, that was beautiful. Thank you so much, Sis Dewi. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, let's hear from Sis Ririn. Sis Ririn, I love your hair. It looks good on you.
Ooh, thank
Okay,
you.
so tell us how many family members you have.
Mm, I have 4 members,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and my father.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I am the oldest,
Mm-hmm.
and 2 brothers.
Ooh, that's
Yeah,
good. So you're the oldest in your family, I guess. Yeah,
yeah,
Sis Ririn.
yeah.
Okay, and tell us who's the closest one.
The closest one is youngest brother.
Youngest brother. Is
Yeah.
there any reason?
Um, the reason is because uh because he um um
Always be there for you?
uh, yeah, always be uh like I like seperti ibu dia, Miss, because yeah, because my mom
Okay.
uh has passed away.
Oh,
So
I'm so
that's
sorry to
why,
hear that, Sis
yeah,
Marine.
so that's why my youngest brother menganggap aku
Mm-hmm.
as a
As a
mom.
mother,
Yeah,
yes, as a
yeah.
mom. Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Thank you. And how important?
um it's very important for me because
Mm-hmm.
my family can love me with unconditional love.
Ooh, wow, I love that. Okay,
Yeah,
good. Thank you so much, Sista. Thank you so much, Sister
yeah,
Ririn. That's really beautiful. And once again, I'm so sorry to hear that, Sister Ririn, ya. Keep it up.
it's
Thank
okay.
you. Sis Saida, terakhir ya. Teman-teman dipersilakan juga ya, everyone ya, untuk menjawab pertanyaan ini di kolom chat ya. Dipersilakan. Biar makin
Hello,
kenal nih.
Miss.
Hai, Sis Saida, how are you?
I'm fine, Miss.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Sis Saida, could you please tell us how many family members do you have?
Um, 5 members.
5 members. Okay. Can you mention my mother?
Me.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Adik apa bu? Miss, nama bahasa Inggris nih.
Yeah, youngest
Adik.
brother or sister?
Uh, uh, uh.
Mm-hmm.
Me,
Mm-hmm.
adik,
Mm-hmm.
father and mother.
Ah,
3 orang.
okay.
Adik,
So two you have three younger brother ya? Punya 3 adik ya? Younger brother. Cara bacanya. Okay. And tell us, Saida, who is the closest one? Siapa yang paling dekat?
uh, no, it's me.
Pardon? Maaf, boleh diulangi?
Everyone it's me. Aku sendiri doang.
Oh, oke. Gak ada yang dekat berarti ya, sister. Okay, last question. How important is family for you? Mm-hmm. So, okay.
Artinya, artinya apa, Miss?
Oh,
Uh,
artinya boleh. Seberapa penting sih keluarga untuk Sis Syaida nih? Kayak tadi teman-teman, ya Sis Clara, because a family is always be there for me, always support for me. Jadi keluarga tuh selalu ada buat kita, selalu ada buat dukung buat kita dan seterusnya. Kira-kira Sis Syaida sama nggak sih?
Seimbang itu,
Mhm.
seimbang, seimbang.
Oh, oke. Berarti kurang lebih
Perfect.
sama ya. Oke, siap. Thank you so much, Sister Saida. Thank you. Good job, Sister. Good job, Sis Saida. Thank you so much. Sis Putri nanti boleh di kolom chat ya. Ini karena waktu terbatas, so we need to move on to the next slide. Guys, please come on. You can respond those question into the chat box. Teman-teman dipersilakan untuk menjawab pertanyaan yang ada di sini. Selain resen bisa di kolom chat juga. Nanti Sis Clara akan bacakan one by one. Wah, tadi dari semua members udah pada jago ya bahasa Inggrisnya. So, good job teman-teman. Kata Bro Jack aja, aduh insecure gue. Gue-nya pakai H lagi nih, gue. Nah, teman-teman, no, do not be insecure, teman-teman. Jangan menjadi insecure, tapi jadilah seseorang yang termotivasi. Oh, dia aja bisa kok, gue enggak gitu ya, teman-teman. Ya, kamu aja bisa, masa aku enggak gitu. Jadilah seseorang yang memang teman-teman itu apa ya namanya influence terinfluence, misalnya Bro Firdaus tuh bahasa Inggris udah jago nih. Gimana ya biar caranya kayak Bro Firdaus? Nah, teman-teman perhatikan saja, oh mereka kayak gini biasanya. Nanti biasanya ada namanya metode ataupun hal ataupun lainnya yang disebut sebagai terinfluence ataupun terpengaruh gitu. Jadi jangan ada yang insecure ya, Princess ya. Give it up, give it up. Nggak apa-apa sih Saida, sudah bagus sekali nih. Ada dari Sisvia, 5 members, Bro Najib, 7 members, Bro Sugiman, 3 members ya. Dan seterusnya teman-teman. Okay, so excited to discuss about family everyone. Yeah, so excited. So let's move on to the next slide. We're gonna discuss about the box of vocabularies, and I would like to invite you to help me find the meanings on the chat box ya. Boleh ya teman-teman, sekarang dibantu untuk carikan artinya. Apa sih arti kosakata di sini? Are you ready? Ready ya? Okay, let's start with the first vocabulary here. We have parent. What is parent? Yes, orang tua. Wait. Orang tua. That's correct. Mother. Mother. Ibu. Father. Ayah. Sibling. Sibling. Saudara kandung. Yes, correct. Brother. Brother. Kakak laki-laki. Saudara laki-laki, teman-teman. Sister. Sister. Saudara perempuan. What about a relative? I have a relative who stays in Bali, for example. Saudara jauh, ya. Uncle. Uncle Mutu. Uncle. Uncle. Paman. Aunt. Bibi. Grandparent. Grandparent. Kakek nenek. Simba. Grandfather. What is Simba? Grandfather. Kakek. Grandmother. Nenek. Cousin. Yes. Sepupu ya. Suppose. Mhm. Suppose. Pasangan. Biasanya pasangan suami istri gitu ya. Husband. Husband. Iya boleh sambil makan silakan. Suami. Wife. Wife. Istri. Oldest sister. Oldest. Oldest. Oldest sister. Kakak tertua. Kakak perempuan paling tua ataupun tertua boleh. Child. Child. Anak. Son. Son. Both children or child. Anak laki-laki daughter. Anak perempuan nephew. Keponakan laki-laki niece. Cara bacanya niece bukan nice ya, teman-teman. Niece, oke. Keponakan perempuan. Grandchild. Grandchild. Oke. Grandson. Cucu laki-laki. Granddaughter. Granddaughter. Cucu perempuan. Great grandfather. Great grandfather. Kakek. Mhm. Great grandfather. Kakek buyut ya. Ya, boleh kakek moyang atau ya. Great grandmother. Great grandmother.
Nenek buyut.
Yes. Nenek moyang atau boleh. Father-in-law. Ayah mertua. Mother-in-law. Ayah angkat. Belum, bro, belum. Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. Ibu mertua. Brother-in-law.
Mertua. Mertua.
Ya, betul, bro.
Mertua.
Mother. What about brother? Saudara ipar laki-laki, sister-in-law.
Saudara ipar perempuan.
Betul. Son-in-law?
No.
Menantu
Mantu,
laki-laki. Daughter-in-law.
mantu perempuan,
Correct. Oldest brother.
abang
Kakak,
tertua.
abang tertua. Good job, bro. Let's hear the next one. Ex-husband. Ex-husband.
Suami,
Mantan
mantan,
suami. Ex-wife. Ex-wife.
mantan istri,
Mantan
Mantan
istri.
istri. Step-brother. Step-brother. Nah, ini
saudara,
nih. Step-brother.
Saudara tiri.
Saudara tiri laki-laki. Step-sister.
Saudara
Saudara
tiri
tiri perempuan.
Step-parent.
orang tua.
Orang tua tiri.
tiri,
Yep. Stepfather. Stepfather.
Ayah tiri.
Ayah tiri. Stepmother.
Ibu
Ayah
Ibu
tiri.
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 Iya, stepchild.
Anak tiri.
Anak tiri.
Anak tiri.
Stepson.
Anak pungut.
Anak tiri laki-laki.
Stepson. Kenapa ada ketawa ya? Ya, ya, anak sambung boleh. Boleh, boleh. Stepdaughter.
Anak
Anak tiri
Anak
perempuan.
tiri perempuan.
Younger sister.
Adik
Adik.
perempuan.
Adik perempuan.
Paling
Old.
muda.
Ya, boleh adik paling muda atau adik perempuan. Older sister.
paling
Adik
tua,
perempuan
Adik
paling tua.
Older.
perempuan.
Paling tua. Kakak perempuan. Sorry, bukan paling tua, tapi lebih tua. Ya, kalau paling tua, oldest. Guys,
older,
ya.
older, older.
Yes. Kalau older brother.
Kakak.
Kakak
Laki-laki.
laki-laki.
Younger brother.
Anak
Kakak
tiri.
adik laki-laki.
Adik laki-laki.
Middle child.
Anak
Anak
tengah.
tengah.
Anak tengah.
Twins.
Kembar.
Ada yang kembar di sini? Enggak
Ada,
ada. Oh, ada. Siapa? Nanti ya, saya sekarang tanya. Youngest child.
Anak
Anak
paling
kecil.
kecil.
Anak paling kecil. Yeah, guys, I just want to give you some information that older and oldest, youngest and younger. Don't forget, kalau mostly in oldest, it's like lebih tua gitu ya, everyone like older sister, so it's mean kakak yang pertama gitu ya, paling tua gitu everyone. Tapi
mm-mm.
kalau older sister itu bisa kedua, misalnya kakaknya punya dua gitu ya. Kayak misal tadi kan adiknya sis Ririn ada dua atau tiga gitu ya. Nah, adiknya sis Ririn itu bisa bilang, oh I have older sister. Jadi dia punya kakak paling tua gitu. But I also have older brother. Tapi older brothernya itu nggak tahu kalau older brother anak kedua atau anak ketiga gitu teman-teman. Tapi bukan yang paling tua, tapi kakaknya gitu ya guys. Also kembar dan seterusnya. Tapi kalau misalnya sekarang, how do we say anak satu-satunya? Ada yang tahu nggak? How do we say anak satu-satunya?
Sembilan.
Ada yang tahu?
That one,
Just one. Hanya satu sih, betul bro. Ada yang tahu? Mhm.
that's one child. Apa ya?
Oke.
Anak tunggal.
Yes,
The
only. I'm the only child in my family. Aku anak satu-satunya di keluargaku. Jangan just one ya, teman-teman. Mentang-mentang one satu gitu ya. Jadinya satu gitu, teman-teman. Sekarang kalau pakai little brother boleh nggak? Boleh dong. Boleh juga, teman-teman. Oh, sekarang how about elder? Elder juga boleh, tapi elder itu kalimatnya lebih formal instead of older. Gitu ya. Kakak perempuan sendiri, kalau kakaknya cuma satu ya cukup bilang aja oldest gak apa-apa atau older juga nggak masalah, sister. Sampai sini, do you got it?
Yes,
Yes, ada ex-husband ya teman-teman. Jangan lupa nanti cek the recording. Oh iya nih masalah recording ya. Ini ramai banget di grup ya discuss about recording. I'm so sorry guys, it's only available for 24 hours. Cuma berlaku dengan 2 kali 24 jam ya kalau nggak salah Bro Enses. Jadi boleh di-download ya. Nanti Siskara usahakan gitu ya teman-teman. Misalnya butuh, misal teman-teman Siskara aku kehilangan gitu ya. Nanti kabarin siapa tahu nanti Siskara bisa bantu untuk membalikan videonya gitu ya di recovery. Semoga masih bisa sih everyone. Okay, that's so guys about family ya. Lihat, silsilah keluarga tuh banyak sampai ada stepsister, ex-husband, sampai twin. Tadi ada yang bilang ada yang punya kembaran. Ada di sini nggak kelas kembaran ya? Nggak ada ya. Wah, sekarang in another class I also have twins ya. 3 orang teman-teman ya. Aduh, Sestara itu kalau nggak lihat namanya lupa siapa ya. Karena wajahnya sama semua ya, everyone. Jadi kalau ada yang kembar di sini, boleh nih di info ya. Okay, guys, I think we need to move on. Sampai sini jelas ya? Do you got it?
Kalau
Yes.
kalau kalau kembar 4 namanya apa sih? Miss.
I forgot. Quartlet? I don't know. Anyone here can help me? Triplet. Kalau 3 triplet. Kalau 4 apa, guys? I forgot. It's something with Q, if I'm mistaken. It's something with Q. Anyone's here can help me? Iya, quadruplate. Thank you so much, Bro Isra. Wis, keren banget ya, Bro Isra ya. Oke, gitu ya, Bro. Keren banget ya,
Trik.
sampai kembar 4, teman-teman. Keren. Tapi kasihan ibunya ya. Oke, kita lanjut, guys. Let's move on to our practice session nih. Udah 8:30 ya, cepat sekali. Okay, so we're gonna practice in a breakout room. So you're gonna practice in a breakout room. Mention your family members and tell us about the memorable moments with each of them, teman-teman. Jadi silakan teman-teman bisa praktek di breakout room seperti biasa dan sebutkan anggota keluarga teman-teman lagi dan ceritakan pengalaman apa sih yang sangat diingat dengan mereka. For example, okay, so sekarang my family members there are my mother, my father, my older sister, and also younger brother. And my mother, she taught me how to cook. Beliau mengajariku bagaimana caranya memasak, gitu ya. And my father, he helped me ride a bike for the first time. Beliau mengajariku naik sepeda pertama kalinya. And the third one is my older sister. We love watching movies together. Kita suka menonton film bersama. Last, younger brother. We play video games and laugh a lot. Kita suka bermain games dan tertawa bersama. Nah, teman-teman silakan nih diceritakan ya with your partners in a breakout room. Yang kuning ini adalah cara bikin kalimatnya, cara menjawabnya gitu ya sebagai referensi teman-teman ketika praktek di breakout room. Terus sis Clara, tapi teman-temanku tuh suka malu di breakout room. Terus gimana ya sis? Nah, teman-teman boleh jadi seseorang yang mulai duluan ya. Jadi yang pertama untuk mulai duluan teman-teman ya. Gak apa-apa. Atau kalau misalnya belum siap, that's okay guys. You can practice ataupun teman-teman itu boleh mempersiapkannya terlebih dahulu. Sekarang aku boleh nggak kalau ditulis dulu? Boleh, nggak apa-apa. Kan masih proses belajar guys. That's okay. That's a part of process in learning English. Salah satu bagian ataupun proses dalam belajar bahasa Inggris. Yang penting teman-teman itu ada kemauan terlebih dahulu, teman-teman ya. Don't forget, consistent is the key, right? Tapi kalau nggak konsisten, nah terus kapan bisanya, teman-teman ya? Jadi balik lagi ke diri teman-teman. So it's depend on you guys. Okay, do you got it?
Correct.
Got it. Okay. Don't
Yes.
forget, pilih salah satu moderator ya, biar bisa mengelit diskusinya ataupun membantu diskusinya. Nanti si Clara keliling seperti biasa ya, guys. Okay, let's moving forward to our breakout room, please. Come on, guys. Let's jump to our breakout room. Hi, I want to check my audio. Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I good? Clear ya? Oh, I want to hear from Bro Isra. I think your group discussion it's quite interesting, Bro Isra, yeah. So, how's the discussions?
The discussion was good though. Everyone want to talk about how their family and just not side things.
Okay, I think that's the things that I'm really proud of, I guess, yeah, Bro Isra.
Like they
Mhm.
want to try. That's a good point.
Okay, and is there any difficulties, Bro Isra?
Yeah, kinda. I think like it's kinda hard to.
Express.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, I got it.
Mm.
That's okay. It's day 7 though, Bro Isra, but
Okay.
you're good. Thank you so much, Bro
Okay,
Isra.
thank you.
I want to invite Bro Ziki. Hi, Bro Ziki. Can you
Hey,
unmute the mic, please?
Victoria.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, could you
But
tell us how was your discussions?
we discussion about family, but my English is so bad.
I don't think
Masih
so.
logat Jawanya masih kuat sekali.
But I don't think so. You're good at it. That's okay. We're still in a basic one though, guys. So no worries. But you're good, bro. Ziki, you know how to be leader. You know how to lead the group discussion. So everyone. And when we become a moderator, when we become a leader in our group, it will grow our confidence, everyone, because it's forced you to speak more. You need to force other people to speak up more to answer the question, something like that. Jadi teman-teman ketika jadi moderator, itu keuntungannya adalah teman-teman itu nanti terbiasa untuk jadi seseorang yang selalu bicara dan juga mengajak teman-teman untuk membagikan pendapatnya. So it's a good opportunity as well, teman-teman. Jadi jangan ragu ya, aku aja dong yang jadi moderator, boleh banget gitu ya. But thank you, Bro Ziki, Bro Izra. Satu lagi deh. I wanna hear from tadi ada sister siapa ya yang menarik diskusinya tuh. Sister Rara. Hai, Sis Rara. Kelompok 11. Hi, sis.
Hi, me. Hi, sis.
How? Okay, can you tell us how was your partner in their breakout room?
Our partner, I think, is very good
No.
English,
Mm-hmm.
and our discuss is fun,
Mm-hmm.
and everybody already can
Answer the
tell.
questions.
Yes, like
Uh,
that.
Okay, good job. Thank you so much, Sis Rara. Wes,
Thank
pada bisa semua
you.
ya, teman-teman. Keep it up. Always keep up the good work, teman-teman. Jadi kalau in a basic one, yang penting adalah target Sestara adalah untuk membantu teman-teman untuk lebih percaya diri, everyone. So I'm gonna help you to grow the confidence or it's more confidence in English, especially teman-teman. Jadi sekarang aku masih belum bisa, aku masih takut, nggak apa-apa teman-teman. That's a process. It's a learning process, everyone. But if you're not taught it today, so when will be, teman-teman? Terus kapan? Gitu ya, teman-teman. Jadi just be confident, teman-teman. Mulai hari ini harus coba paksakan untuk confident ya.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Katanya Bro Darwis mirip artis ya. Setuju sih, kayak artis lawas gitu, Bro. Maksudnya kayak
Iya,
artis
iya
yang
kan
lawas.
sis?
Iya,
Iya
betul.
kan? Yang suka main sama Susana itu dulu.
Ketahuan yang
Banyak
mau
kok, banyak filmnya yang kayak tentang apa action gitu.
Tapi beneran
Iya.
artis gak, Bro? Beneran artis gak, Bro? Iya, Bro. Beneran artis, Bro.
Apa? Balas dong.
Beneran ya? Oh, beneran.
Grandfather.
Oh, wis keren. Wah, parah banget
Grandpa.
Grandpa. Jangan gitu
Grandpa.
dong.
Itu apa sih? Oh, yang lagi
Grandpanya
menyamar.
Isna.
Oh,
Laguna.
CEO dari Laguna Company itu ya. Kalau dia. Oke, terima kasih teman-teman. I think that's all. I need to move on to another class. Terima kasih, Citra. Last but not least, cepet banget ya, sudah 1 jam. Last but not least, Vicky Partner.
We are
We are the best
Partner.
Partner.
the best partner.
Partner.
Partner, ya.
See you tomorrow.